Hey there, tile enthusiasts, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of natural stone with the stunning nature antique honed mosaic from TileBar. If you're looking to add a touch of rustic luxury to your space, you've come to the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know about this unique tile, from its design, information, installation, and finally, the care and maintenance. The Nature Collection from TileBar is all about bringing the outdoors in. These mosaics are raw, honed stones and marble, creating a textural landscape. Each sheet is comprised of varying shapes of natural stone, creating a captivating pattern. This isn't your typical uniform tile. It's got character, depth, offering a unique organic feel to any space, making it versatile for both commercial and residential applications. You can use this mosaic on floors, on walls. Imagine it as a kitchen backsplash, or shower floor, or even an outdoor feature wall. The honed finish gives it a smooth, matte look while preserving the natural texture. Each sheet is about 12 inches by 12 inches and 11 millimeters thick, so they're easy to handle. This particular tile is made from pebble stones, including other colors such as black, antique, white Carrara, and tumbled lava gray. When ordering, I suggest get a sample first. You can get samples for just $5 with free shipping. Natural stone products will have inherent variations in color, shade, character, including markings and veinings throughout the lots. Also, some stones may have filled voids that can polish differently from the stone. Because of the uniqueness of the stone samples, make sure you love it before you buy it. All right, let's talk installation. Before you start, remember that the key to a good tile job is a dry layout. Take the sheets out of the box, inspect them, mix them up, and see how they fit together. Because these stones are natural and mounted on sheets, sometimes they don't fit together perfectly. This is the most common question we get about this material, but don't worry, this doesn't mean you have a bad batch. You may need to do some adjusting on some stones at the edge of the sheet to make them look uniform. Let's dig in a little bit there. If you're looking at your dry layout and you can clearly see the sheet lines, here's a tip that I use to try to eliminate this look. When our brains notice patterns, they can pick up on it pretty quickly, but you can trick your brain by changing a little bit of the details. For this material, I suggest identifying a couple of stones that are not fitting well, or maybe there's a large gap between the sheets. Remove those stones, cut them free from the sheet, separating them, and then reinstalling them using some tape and some wedges to split the joints. This can break your eye line and get rid of that window pane effect. Also, once you grout it, it kind of further hides that separation. For installation, I suggest using a 1/4 by 1/4 inch notch trowel and always your proper troweling techniques. Be careful to make sure the thin set isn't coming through the grout joints. Because they're tight, this can make a really big mess. You want to press in each sheet firmly using a grout float or a beading block to ensure a full bond. Double check your coverage to make sure the mortar is not just on the mesh, but it's going through the mesh to bond to your stone. Remember that all installations should refer to the most current TCNA manual and follow all the directions on all your materials, especially the mixing quantities. If any stones come loose or fall off during the installation, no problem, just stick them back down. Once again, maybe using some wedges, maybe put a little bit of mortar on the back of them and tape them into place. They'll be fine. So now you have your gorgeous new pebble tile installed. How do we keep it looking great? The first thing you'll want to do is apply grout release or pre-seal it before grouting. Because these stones are porous, they can absorb some of the pigment from the grout. When it comes to grouting, these joints are tiny, and some say too small to grout. From my testing using a non-aggregate grout, It suggests that it works. I've done it. After grouting, be sure to clean the tile as suggested from your grout manufacturer. Then use a sealer for extra protection. Because of the stone's porosity, it could take multiple coats. For regular maintenance, just sweep and vacuum as needed and clean with a mild detergent or a stone-specific cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals and abrasives. If you take care of your pebble tile, it will last a long time. Now that you're an expert on this, check out this product right here and continue learning. Let us know in the comments what you think of the nature tile. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, shop at TileBar.com, and find more helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together and tile the world.